This is Charles Carver with Pride Auto Plaza in Wichita, Kansas. This is our 1941 International pickup truck. Chop top, as you can see, beautiful paint and body work. Sitting on some centerline wheels with the 3-bar spinners. This has got a updated powertrain. It's a 360 Plymouth with automatic transmission, cold air conditioning, power steering, and power disc brakes. Truck has a lot of really nice features, well planned and well put together. There's a switch right inside the door that raises the bed. And I'm not going to take time to lift it clear up, but it goes up approximately 3 feet here in the rear. You can see it's got a nice oak finish bed on the inside with stainless steel runners. Put that back down. Got a beautiful custom interior. Shows really nice workmanship. Headliner. As I've mentioned, this truck is really well constructed. I've seen pictures of the sheet metal work when it was the top was being chopped, and it really looks like excellent workmanship. It's got a nice sounding stereo. It says Premier on the actual stereo itself, but the steering wheel controls say Pioneer, so I'm not sure what that's all about, but I do know that it works good. It sounds great. Got a great air conditioning system, blows icy cold air. This is the air conditioning system controls here. Got a set of VDO gauges, and I don't know if you can see it because of the glare, but let's see. Yeah, the truck's only got 1,600 miles on it. 1,600 miles on it since, might even be wrong, I think it's 15. It's 1,526. 1,526 miles on it since it was built. Everything on this truck works, even the electric windshield wipers. It's got cruise control, which works also. All the lights, the horn, you name it. The truck is well built. I've had the good fortune to sell a number of older pickup trucks that have been restored and customized, and usually they have a few things that don't work quite like they should, and so it's a pleasure to get into this truck and to find that everything is working exactly like it should. Out here on Highway 15 and running down the road to show you how nice it dries out. Train over there to the left trying to outrun us. Can you imagine that? That's the noise you may hear. One other thing I didn't mention, this truck actually has a lot of headroom. I was kind of concerned about that because of the pretty drastic chop that they did to the cab, but notice the cab is very rounded. on this truck, and so I'm probably average height kind of guy, and there's about 3 or 4 inches above my head and headroom. So because of the rounded top, the headroom shouldn't be a problem for most people. Okay, truck drives out nice, just handles great on the road. It's got a highway gear in the rear end, I would say, because even though it doesn't have overdrive, it's a 3-speed automatic transmission. It really cruises nice. The engine is not over revving as you're going down the road. There's that noisy old train. We were able to outrun him, but just barely. Anyway, this is a super nice truck, very unique. The guy that built this truck had quality workmanship done on it. There was over $75,000 spent on the restoration and the modifications on this truck, and you can tell he was a real particular and meticulous kind of guy, with all the nice detail, the super nice paint, making sure that everything worked. There was a receipt in here that shows the truck has been aligned by a reputable shop, and there's even a, if you want to go car showing with this, cruising and cruise to a car show, there's even a detail kit that I'll leave in this truck. It's got all kinds of stuff to detail the truck, as well as a couple of folding chairs to provide comfort for you. The tag that was on this truck is the Bug Eater, and we'll leave that in the truck for you. Also, the centerline wheels, in order to take the spinners off if you want to more easily get those polished up. Here's a flexible Allen wrench by Snap-on, a good quality name tool, and you can use this to easily remove those center caps. Under each one of the wings there's a little Allen wrench that you can ease off and remove those. Check out the full details of this gorgeous truck on our website at prideautoplaza.com. That's prideautoplaza.com. Thank you.